What is gap? An unfilled space or interval, a break in continuity. Older generations often feel that there is a gap between them and the new generation. This is usually apparent in our daily activities. Manner of dressing. The photos clearly show the generation gap in the manner of dressing oneself. Oftentimes, the changes in style is noticeable every decade. Socializing. Back in the old days, when electronic devices were not yet available, outdoor activities were often noticeable among kids. Friendship. Before, the very core of social interaction was physical contact, where handshakes were made, voices were heard directly at the person while one was speaking. Nowadays, with the presence of technology, we can establish connection although far from each other. Relationship. Relationships were more discreet and sincere. We often see couples staying together through the years. Nowadays, relationships are less discreet and most of the time, statuses are displayed over social media. In the field education, a huge gap also exists and will continue to widen unless some changes are adopted at the proper time. Education. In education, the traditional classroom setup has started to evolve to digital learning, and with the presence of the pandemic has developed further into distant learning. Dictionary. We grow up using the traditional hardbound dictionaries, and with the emergence of the web, we now have access to different sets of online dictionaries without having to flip a cover of the book manually, search for the word we are looking for. Given the rapid emergence of digital technology at times, referred to as ICT or Information and Communication Technology, there is a need to prepare for bridging a digital gap in society. There are just few of the traditional tools or materials that the older generation has used to maximize teaching in a classroom setup. Nowadays, usage of technology helps the educational system bridge the gap through usage of daily application readily available for everyone to use.